Question number 1. Which Indian state is famous for Kuchipudi dance? The correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 2. Who won India's first individual Olympic gold medal? The correct answer is option D, Abhinav Bindra. Question number 3. Which sector is the largest employer in India? The correct answer is option B, agriculture sector. Question number 4. What is the planning commission now replaced by? The correct answer is option B, Niti Aayog. Question number 5. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18? The correct answer is option C, 61st of Amendment. Question number 6. Who is the ceremonial head of the Indian Republic? The correct answer is option B, President. Question number 7. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option A, 395. Question number 8. Which place is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The correct answer is option D, Bengaluru. Question number 9. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer is option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 10. Which Indian was recently awarded Bharat Ratna Award 2024? The correct answer is option D, Lal Krishna Advani. Question number 11. Which Indian company is the largest by market value 2025? The correct answer is option D, Reliance Industries Limited. Question number 12. Which river is considered sacred in Hinduism? The correct answer is option B, Ganga River. Question number 13. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? The correct answer is option C, Diwali. Question number 14. In which state is the Jagannath Yatra held? The correct answer is option D, Odisha. Question number 15. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance from which state? The correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Question number 16. Neeraj Chopra is associated with which sport? The correct answer is option A, javelin throw. Question number 17. Which city hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Games? The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Question number 18. When was the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) established? The correct answer is option B, 1935. Which body conducts election in India? The correct answer is option D, Election Commission of India. Question number 20. Sundarbans are located in which state? The correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Question number 21. What is the third desert located in India? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 22. When was the Constitution of India adopted? The correct answer is option D, 26th of November 1949. Question number 23. Battle of Polity was fought in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1757. Question number 24. Which movement did Mahatma Gandhi start in 1942? The correct answer is option B, Quit India movement. Question number 25. Which city is known as the City of Nawabs? The correct answer is option D, Lucknow. Question number 26. Who is the first female Indian Air Force pilot? The correct answer is option B, Avni Chaturvedi. Question number 27. What is the name of India's Mars orbit mission? The correct answer is option A, Mangalyaan. Question number 28. Who appoints judges to the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is option C, President of India. Question number 29. Which party is known as the Communist Party of India? The correct answer is option A, CPIM. Question number 30. Which political party's symbol is the hand? The correct answer is option B, Indian National Congress.